Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up notebooks in Evernote. Click the Notebooks icon in the left sidebar to open your Notebooks panel. The main workspace updates to show your existing notebooks with options to manage them. Click the New Notebook button at the top, which opens the Create New Notebook dialog. You'll see a single text field for the notebook name and action buttons below. Type your notebook name into the field. For this example, I'm calling it the Notebook, then click the Create button. Choose a name that clearly identifies the notebook's purpose so it's easy to find later. Your new notebook appears in the list, and you'll see a success confirmation message at the bottom of the screen. Click on any notebook from your list to open it. In this case, I'm opening First Notebook. The notebook opens in the main view, showing any existing notes or an empty state if it's brand new. Click the New Note button to create your first note inside the notebook. Give your note a title by typing in the title field at the top. Then add your content in the body below. For this example, I'm typing in a sample starter plan. Your note saves automatically as you type, so there's no save button to worry about. You can create as many notebooks as you need to organize different projects or topics, and each notebook can hold unlimited notes. If you want to rename a notebook later, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Rename. Notebooks sync automatically across all your devices, so any notes you create on the web will appear in your mobile app straight away. You can also nest notebooks inside stacks to create a deeper hierarchy if you're managing multiple projects at once. One more tip. Use descriptive notebook names that make it easy to find what you need at a glance. And that's how to set up notebooks in Evernote. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.